got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man?
Oh, there, mate.
Man, caught you before you got away from me. What you got running in here, man?
Got 4 level 618s on DC 12K and brand X alternator CS80 battery bank.
Welcome to your doom.
Yeah, that's all right right there, man. Let them know they can find you in case they don't know, man.
What's that?
Let them know they can find you just in case.
Right here at the TDH booth. I'm the TDH president, so thanks for coming out.
Man, y'all should give them a follow. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's
Appreciate
go
it.
see you, man.
I got you. Just push on the door.
Oh, you got the pop on there. Is that a 4th order right there?
Yeah.
4th. Okay.
Yep.
You still rolling? Yeah, you're still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.